What's up friends, welcome back to a Joe tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix any restricted issues that you currently have on Rednote. So the reason for this could possibly be that you sign up for Rednote with your email address, and what is required in order to access most of these features is that you need to, let's say, verify it with your phone number. So in case you try to do a comment, let's open up this picture. For example, in case I try to do a comment and let's say I write I love this and I try to hit send, you will see it pops up and say that I need to add my phone number, right? So this is something that you want to ensure that you have done. If you haven't done so, then it will give you some of those restrictions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly verify this by country code. You can either search it, so I can type, for example, 420, and I can find that, and I can enter the phone number. Then I'm going to simply click on I accept, or I read, and click on get code, and the code should come to my phone number, guys, in a moment. You can see I paste the code in, then I click OK, and you see my mobile as successfully added, right? So and that's all that you need to do. This is going to help you to fix a lot of problems, and especially I'm going to show you in a moment, when you try to do a lot of things, you will see that it's going to restrict you. So I'm going to go back here and click I love this now and click send, and you will see that it allows me to comment, and that's it. So you will realize a lot of things going to fix when you verify this. So the next thing I want to show you is that if you click on me in the lower right hand side and click on your settings, and if you go to account security, you will see possibly that some of those options are unbound or not verified and so forth. So you can do additional verification from here. You can do official verification, real name verification. But one of the things that it really requires to do and to get a lot done is to ensure that you put your phone number and verify this. And that's it. This is very easy and very simple.